Ready to unlock the hidden potential within your Qlik Sense tables? First, open your Qlik Sense app and navigate to the sheet containing the table you want to work with. We'll be diving into expressions to pull out specific column values. Let's start with a simple example. Extracting a single value based on a selection. The GetFieldSelections function will show all the selected values from the desired field. This allows you to reference chosen data. Now, let's explore aggregating values. The AGGR function comes in handy here, allowing you to perform calculations like sum, average, or maximum on a specific column based on the dimensions you define. For retrieving the first value, a sorted column, FIRSTSORTEDVALUE is your best friend. Specify the column and the sorting criteria, and Qlik Sense will fetch the top value based on your rules. Finally, to visualize extracted values, create a KP object and use your newly created expressions. The KP will dynamically display the value based on selections and calculations, providing key insights at a glance. This value can also be used in charts and other visualizations.